When the player moves to the right, you will need to adjust its velocity. Use the addition assignment operator to add the velocity's x coordinate to the player's x position. And don't forget to include the this keyword for the velocity and position. Now let's get back to work. It says, no, we know that know as we know that assignment operator is achieved with the addition and the equal sign. And we also know that we have to add the velocities x, which is this one, to the position x, which is this one. And we have to use the assignment operator. And to amalgamate all we know is that we have to use the keyword, this, and refer to this property position, and then access the x key from the position object, which is assigned to the proportional size of base value 10. And then we use the assignment operator to to add rather the value of the player's velocity. And in order to refer to that velocity object, which is this one, is that we also have to use the this keyword and then the object, which is the velocity. And we are trying to add the velocity x, correct? So you have to access this one, the 0. And to access the x is that with the use of the dot notation or the bracket notation. Wait, is that correct? No. Perhaps it's only dot notation. So what we are trying to do is that we are adding the velocity x to our position x with the use of the assignment operator, and essentially meeting the expectation from the instruction. So that will be it. Nice.